Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to type flower symbol on keyboard. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. So if you have a keyboard with a number pad, you can use the Alt code. For if you want to insert black floral symbols, for this you need to hold down the Alt key. This is the Alt key, and on the numeric side you need to type 9880 and release the Alt key. This will instantly insert black floral symbol. And if you want to insert black floral heart, for this you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 9881 and release the Alt key. So for the shamrock flower symbol you need to press the Alt key and press 10047 and release the Alt key. And if you want to insert 4 leaf clover symbol, for this you need to hold down the Alt key and press 10048 and release the Alt key. If you don't have a numeric side keypad, then in Word you can type a specific code and then convert into a symbol. For this you need to type the 2740 and then press Alt text Alt together, and it will turn into a floral symbol. Moreover, you can also insert flower symbol on keyboard with the help of the emojis. For this you need to press this is the window key and this is the colon key. You need to press both keys all together. Then emoji panel will appear up. You need to click on this search icon and type flower, and here you can see different type of flower. You just need to click to insert it, like this one, and close it. So with these way you can easily type flower symbol on keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.